let us understand the microscope. There are two types of microscope: simple microscope and compound microscope. Click on the buttons to know more about them. Let us understand simple microscope. A simple magnifier or microscope is a converging lens of small focal length. In order to use such a lens as a microscope, the lens is held near the object, one focal length away or less, and the eye is positioned close to the lens on the other side. If the object is at a distance f, then the image is at infinity. However, if the object is at a distance slightly less than the focal length of the lens, the image is virtual and closer than infinity. The linear magnification M for the image formed at the near point D by a simple microscope can be obtained by using the relation M equals V by U, which equals V into 1 by V minus 1 by F, which equals 1 minus V by F. Now, according to our sign convention, V is negative and is equal in magnitude to D. Thus, the magnification is M is equal to 1 plus D by F. Since D is about 25 cm, to have a magnification of 6, one needs a convex lens of focal length f is equal to 5 cm. We know that M equals h prime by h, where h is the size of the object and h prime is the size of the image. The magnification when the image is at infinity, in this case, we will have to obtain the angular magnification. Suppose the object has a height h. The maximum angle it can subtend and be clearly visible without a lens is when it is at the near point, that is a distance d. The angle is then given by tan theta naught is equal to h by capital D, which is approximately equal to theta naught. We now find the angle subtended at the eye by the image when the object is at u. From the relations, we have h prime by h equals m, which equals v by u. Hence, we have h prime by minus v equals minus h by v into v by u, which is approximately equal to theta. The angle subtended by the object when it is at u is equal to minus f is theta I is equal to h by f. Hence, the angular magnification is m is equal to theta I by theta O, which equals capital D by f. This is one less the magnification when the image is at the near point. Therefore, m equals 1 plus D by f. Let us understand compound microscope. A simple microscope has a limited maximum magnification less than or equal to 9 for realistic focal lengths. For much larger magnifications, one uses two lenses, one compounding the effect of the other. This is known as a compound microscope. The lens nearest the object, called the objective, forms a real, inverted and magnified image of the object. A prime and B prime serves as the object for the second lens, the eyepiece, which functions essentially like a simple microscope or magnifier, producing the final image, which is enlarged and virtual. The ray diagram shows that the linear magnification due to objective, namely h prime by h equals L by f naught, where m naught is the magnification of the object, h is the object size, h prime is the size of the first image, and f naught is the focal length of the objective, where L is the distance between the second focal point of the objective and the first focal point of the eyepiece, that is focal length Fe, is called the tube length of the compound microscope. where we have used the result tan beta is equal to h by f naught equals h prime by L. The first inverted image is near the focal point of the eyepiece. We use the result from the discussion above for the simple microscope to obtain the angular magnification ME due to it, when the final image is formed at the near point, is given by ME is equal to 1 plus D by FE. Since ME is equal to D by FE and M naught is equal to L by F naught, thus the total magnification when the image is formed at infinity is M is equal to M naught into ME, which equals L by F naught into D by FE. Let us take an example. An objective focal length equals 1 cm and an eyepiece has focal length FE is equal to 2 cm and a tube length equals 20 cm. Then find the magnification. Magnification M equals M naught into ME, which equals L by F naught into D by FE. This equals 20 by 1 into 25 by 2, which equals 250.